Hello everyone, I am Krishna Maurya from Robotics India. So I have made my quirky a JCB. So this is the quirky, and here is my quirky. You can see like this. It will come inside the JCB. See, I have stuck it with the tape here, with in the wooden blocks, the wooden planks here. Then I have used in full robot, I have used the cardboard only, and the things I have used are glue gun to stick every places like this, which will come up after some time. So I have used it here, and the ice cream stick to make the most of the connection in this is mouth, because it was fully of ice cream sticks. And next I have used the toothpick to attach all the injections. I have not used glue here. I have just used the toothpick and attach the injection. So these are the things, materials that I have used for it. So now I will show you what are the things I have added. So I have added only one hydraulic here, not this one, this one. Only with this one it will work. See, it is going up down like this. It is happening. I was adding the pipe here, but the pipe was very small, so like this it will this arm will move, this arm will move this one. I have used a rope to connect with the ice cream the toothpick. I have used like this, and I have hold here with the iron rod. When it will go up, this will come down, means like that. See, I will show you. But I will show you. See here, it is happening up now. So when I will add here in this hole, I will add injection, so it will come and connect here. Then this arm will also work with the injection hydraulic system, and this arm will also work. It is working with this, but there is no hydraulic, and this mouth is working with the hydraulic. So my quirk is standing here. With this one, it will go up and down. I have used the pipe of the that in which the hospitals they are used for the people who were admitted and they are getting water or blood. So this pipe is used. I have removed the injection and the mouth of it, and I have connected it here with this pipe, means it was there only, and I have added this because when I don't need the water, I will do like this up, and it will be get tight, so it will not come out. So like this I have used this. So my quirk is here. I have used a thick cardboard, because if it was not stucking, means it was not going. And from the interior of this mouth, I have used the ice cream stick here, and coming from this part, this is coming inside it, you can see. Then it come here. I have added toothpick because it should not go outside. And this is, I have used the toothpick because when it will be here, so it will not move, but it is here, so it will move up down, so this will move like that. See here, like this. So I will show you one more connection with this. See, what happened. Wait, I have tightened it. Yes, now it will work. See, so this was my quirky JCB.